Welcome.
Welcome.
There we go. Very nice. Okay, so let's have a look at our vocabulary that we are going to practice. Let's see if we can do this first activity. So, they tell us that we need to describe the animals. So, you need
The
to.
snake.
Yes, but you need to tell me about it. What can you tell me about a snake, Peter? What can you tell me?
A snake is very long.
Mm-hmm. And how many legs does a snake have?
This one. No, the snake has not have leg.
Uh-huh, yes, a snake does not have legs, and a snake is very long. And what else can you tell me about a snake?
The tongues of the snake is very long.
Uh-huh. And
It
what does
have
it look
a
like?
long teeth.
Long
It have a
teeth?
long teeth.
Yes.
His color is green.
Uh-huh. Okay, there we go. Okay, yes. Very good. That's great. Okay, you've told me a lot of things. So well done. Very nice. That was great. All right. So let's try this next one. Let's see. What can you tell me about this next animal? What can you tell me about this animal?
The monkey has 4 legs, a
Uh-huh.
long tail,
Right.
a long
What?
tail,
Uh-huh. What do they
and
like to do?
the monkey likes to climb trees.
Ah, very good. Yes. So a monkey has 4 legs, a long tail. A monkey likes to climb trees. Can you think of anything else, Mia? What else do monkeys do?
Yeah.
What do they eat?
This is banana.
Ah, they like to eat bananas. Absolutely, yes. Okay. There's his banana. Oops. Okay, well done. Yes, there we go. That is a monkey. Okay, so let's try this one. Peter, what is this animal? Tell me about this animal.
It's an elephant.
Uh-huh. What do you see?
The elephant has a long nose
Mm.
and not have teeth.
Okay. Yes, and is it big or small?
Have 2 teeth. 2
Uh-huh.
teeth.
Uh-huh. Okay, yes, I
It's
see them
big.
there. It's very big. Yes, there we go. There are 2 teeth. So let's look at those quickly. These all have special words. So let's just see quickly. We can say this is called the trunk of the elephant. The long nose is called the trunk. And the teeth, these long teeth are called tusks. They have special names for these long teeth. Those are called tusks, and the nose is called the trunk. Okay, very nice. And yes, the elephant is a very big animal. Okay, well done. All right. So let's see. Let's ask your sister this one. Can you tell me, Mia, what is this animal and what can you tell me about it?
A horse. They have 4 legs and a long tail.
Oh, anything
And
else?
it's brown.
Aha, yes, it's brown. That's right. And what do people use horses for?
For for right.
Yes, that's right. You can ride on a horse. There we go. That's right. Well done. Thank you. Very nice. Okay, so Peter, what is this?
A fish. It
Okay.
can it can swim in the pool.
Uh-huh.
Pool.
Yes, in the water. Okay, that's right. And so does it have legs?
It has many types of food.
Oh,
Fish.
okay. That's right. Yes, they eat lots of different things. That's right. And so does it
Not
need
have
to,
legs.
it doesn't have legs, okay. And when it wants to breathe air, does it come up to breathe air, Peter, or can it breathe underwater?
It can breathe in the water.
That's right. Very good. Very good. It doesn't need to come up for air or go onto the land. It can breathe in the water. Very nice. Well done. Okay, so what is this one, Peter?
A kangaroo is have a pocket in the tummy and
That's
take
right.
his baby in the pocket.
Uh-huh.
The kangaroo have brown. It's brown.
Yes. And what does it do? Does it swim or does it fly?
It's jump.
It likes to jump, that's right. A kangaroo has very strong back legs. You can see these back legs are very strong and it can jump very well. That's right. Okay, good. All right. So let's see. What is this one, Mia? What can you tell me about this animal?
It is a chicken.
Mm-hmm.
And it's brown. They have two legs. Have red hair. In
Yes.
above his head.
Uh-huh. And what do we get from chickens?
We can get eggs from chicken. From a chicken,
Uh-huh.
get poop.
Yes, okay. That's right. So sometimes people use the poop for farming. Some farmers use the poop to help to grow plants. So they do use that. That's right. But I was thinking of the egg, right? We get eggs from the chickens. Okay, well done. All right, so there we go. And Peter, can a chicken fly? Okay. All right, let's look at this one. What is this one, Peter?
Cat. It
Mm,
have many color.
mm.
It have orange cat. The cat can jump. Oh, can do all.
Many things. It can do many
Can do
things.
all.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh. And what does a cat catch? What do cats like to catch?
People.
Yes. A mouse, that's right. Sometimes a bird, sometimes a cat catches things like that, or an insect even. Cats like to catch lots of things. Okay, well done, well done. So one more, Peter, what is this?
Dog can do anything too.
They can do lots of different things. That's right. A dog likes to live with people, and many people have a dog in their home because they can do many things. That's right. Okay. A dog is a very useful animal. They say that a dog is the best friend of man. So they call a dog man's best friend because a dog is so helpful. Dogs love to be with humans. Okay. All right. Very good. So let's have a look then at these pictures. Let's see if we can guess what they are and match the words at the bottom. So what do you think, Peter? What is number one? All of the Oh, very good. D, that's right. All of these animals are called mammals. Very nice. Well done. So, Peter, a mammal is an animal.
Hunt.
Oh, okay. Number two is hunt. Okay, yes. There we go. All right, good. And what is number three then? Do you know?
Arctic.
Very good. Let's say this again. Arctic.
Arctic.
Yes. And this one?
Temperature.
Okay, very good.
Temperature.
Let's see. I'm going to write it for you so we can say sure. That's how it sounds. Temperature. Well done. Temperature. Very nice. So there we go. That is number four. Temperature. We can see how hot is it. If it is hot or cold, we look at the temperature, and you will see some countries use this one over here. So in many countries, they say the temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. That's what they will say there. So they will say, they'll show it like this, 32, and then you've got that little dot and a C, okay? That is the one type of temperature. And in America, they sometimes say the temperature like this. So then they will say, in America, they will say that it is 78 degrees Fahrenheit. So in America, they use a different one. Okay, so in many countries, we have the C, and in other countries, we use the F for the temperature. So let's say that again, temperature.
Temperature.
Temperature, very nice, thank you, well done. Okay, all right, so let's just talk about this first picture quickly, Peter. This one over here, these animals are called mammals because they have fur on their bodies. Can you see they all have fur on their bodies, and they don't lay eggs. They don't have eggs. All of these animals have living babies, right? They don't have eggs, they have live babies, and they have fur all over their bodies. And so these are mammals, and all of these animals feed their babies milk. So their babies drink milk, and that is why we call those animals mammals, okay? Because they drink milk. All right, let's go. Let's try the next one here. So, what is number one? Can you guess?
One is give birth.
No.
Layer.
There we
C.
go, Leia, that's right. Okay, so what is this?
Pray.
Pray, very good. Thank you, pray, yes. And
Grow up.
grow up, yes. Very good. And
Give birth.
give
Give
birth.
birth.
That's right. Give birth means when you have a baby, when you have a new baby, then you give birth. Okay, well done, well done. So let's look at those words quickly, Peter. So when we talk about layers, you can see there are many different layers there, many layers all on top of each other. Layers, those are all layers. Okay, and then we said this animal is the prey. That means that there is a hunter and the prey. Okay, so this is the one that becomes the food. This animal gets eaten. It is the prey. Okay, and then we can see grow up from a baby to a little girl to a big girl. That is grow up. And of course, over here,
Like a woman.
okay, yes, to a woman. There we go. So a baby, a girl, and a woman. And over here we have a mum and a baby. So a mother that has a new baby, we say she gives birth. That is when you have a new baby. Okay, well done. Very nice, Peter. So let's go. Let's look at our vocabulary quickly. So this first one, let's say this together. Arctic.
Arctic.
Arctic, yes. So if you look at the Earth, you know that we have at the north, we have the North Pole at the top there, and over here we have the South Pole at the bottom. And this ice that you see, there is ice that you see over here. That is called the Arctic. Okay, so that is the Arctic at the top of the Earth. That is called the Arctic. Okay, oops, there we are. So let's say that one more time. Arctic.
Thick.
Yes, Arctic. Okay, well done. Thank you. Right, so let's try this one here. Layer.
Layer.
Very good. There are many layers here. You can see there is one, and there is another one, two, three over here. All of these are different layers in this material. So a layer is things that are on top of each other, many different things flat on top of each other like that. Those are all layers. Okay, many different layers that we have here. Okay, all right, good. One more time. Layer.
Layer.
There we go. Thank you. Layer. Well done. Okay, and let's try this one again. Temperature.
Temperature.
Very good, very good. So remember, it looks like you say temperature, but no, we say temp re
Temperature.
Temperature. There we go. Temperature. Temperature. Okay, well done. And there you can see the two different types of temperature. So in some countries, we say the C, that is degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Celsius. And in other places, we say 120 degrees Fahrenheit. So those are the two different ones that we use around the world. Okay, in your country, you say Celsius, right? This is the one that you use. Is that right, Peter?
Yes.
Okay, yes.
But in Vietnam.
Yes, in Vietnam, you use this one. That's right. In America, they use this one over here. Okay. All right, well done. So let's say that one more time. Temperature.
Temperature.
Good, thank you. Okay, these animals are all animals that have fur on their bodies, and they have babies that are born. They don't make eggs. They don't have eggs. They have babies, and they feed them milk. And so they are called mammals. Everyone, mammal.
Mammal.
There we go. They are all different types of mammal. You can see most of these are lions and cats and things, but there are many mammals. A dog is a mammal. Humans are mammals. We are also mammals because babies drink milk. Okay. All right. So that is why we are mammals. All right. And this one here, this one you said is hunt.
Hunt.
That's right. You can see the cheetah is running after the buck or the deer, and the cheetah wants to eat it, and so this is the hunt. Okay, and the deer is called the prey. Prey.
Prey.
Prey. There we go. Thank you. Okay, prey. Well done. And here we have give birth.
Give birth.
That's right. When you have a small baby, you can see there is the small baby. And so this woman has given birth. She has just had a new baby. And so when you have a new baby, then you give birth. Okay, very good. All right. So let's see if we can remember all of those. Oh, here's one more. Let's do this one quickly. Grow up.
Grow up.
Grow up. That's right. There we go. You can see these boys are all getting bigger and bigger. That's right. There you can see it goes up like that. They all get taller, and you start off small, and then you get bigger and bigger and bigger, and you grow up. Okay, well done. All right, so let's do the hopping frog. So, Peter, what word do you think this word is? We need to put the letters in the correct order. What word can you think of?
Layer.
Not layer, no. Not layer.
Clear.
Almost. What happens when the cheetah is trying to catch the deer?
Cry.
There we go. Prey. That's right. The deer or the buck is the prey of the cheetah. Okay, well done. There we go. Thank you. Very nice. So let's try the next one. Here we go. This one starts with the letter A. You can see there's a big A.
Protect.
Almost. So we say Arctic.
Arctic.
There we go. Arctic. That's right. And that is at the North Pole, at the northern part of the Earth where the ice is. That is called the Arctic. That place is called the Arctic. Okay, very good. Well done. Say it one more time, Peter. Arctic.
Arctic.
Good. Thank you. Arctic. Okay. All right. And what about this one?
Mammal.
Let's see. How do we spell? Yes.
MAMMAL.
There we go. Mammal. That's right. Well done. Thank you. MAMMAL. Mammal. Well done. All right. And let's see if you can do this next one. What is this one?
Hunt.
How do we spell hunt? Yes.
U-N-T.
Okay.
H-U-N-T.
There we go. That's right. H-U-N-T. Hunt. Well done. Thank you. Okay. So jump across frog, and now.
Layer.
Wow.
Layre.
Almost.
ER.
There we go. ER. That's right. Layer. Layer. Very nice. Thank you. That's great. Okay. So let's see. I think there are 3 more. Let's try 3 more, Peter. Here we go. 2 words. Can you see 2 words?
Grow up.
Uh-huh.
GROWUP.
Well done. Very nice. Thank you. That's brilliant. Okay, good. All right. So let's try this one here.
Give birth.
Uh-huh.
GIVERTH.
There we go. RTH. Give birth. Very good. Thank you. All right. GIVE. And then another word. BIRTH. Okay. Well done. Well done. So, Peter, let's try the last one. One more. Let's see what the last word is. Here we go. This is a big word. I don't hear you, Peter. Oh, let's try it again. I couldn't hear you. Say that again.
Temperature.
Yes. Okay. Temperature. Well done. Well done. Temp. And then it's spelt very funny. We say temper. And then it is spelt very funny. But remember that we say temperature. So let's spell the word quickly, Peter. Here we go. Spell that for me.
TEMPERATURE.
Well done. But we say temperature. Okay, well done. Temperature. Very nice. Thank you. Good work. Okay. So now let's have a look then at our next part, and we're going to ask the question what to do. So they're going to show us the words that we've learnt today, and you need to either make a sentence, or you need to define the word, you need to say what it means, or you need to act out, you need to show me, or you can draw a picture. So choose one there, Peter. Which one would you like to try? Layer. Okay, let's see. Draw a picture. What do layers look like? Uh-huh. Yes, very good. Well done. That's right. Very nice. Very nice. That's right. Layers. Okay. So let's see. Let's try let's try one more. Peter, choose one more here. Okay, can you say that word for me? Temperature. Say that for me, Peter. Temperature.
Temperature.
Okay,
Temperature.
make a sentence with that word.
I have a temperature.
Ah, that's good. Yes, I have a temperature. Well done. I have a temperature. That means that I'm feeling sick. I am sick. Okay, well done. Very nice. That's great. So let's try one more on the next page. Let's see. Choose one of those words, Peter.
Hunt.
Hunt. Okay. Make a sentence with hunt.
I hunt that.
I need a better sentence. Oh no, that's not a good.
That place is hunt.
Oh no, I think you're thinking of haunted. So let's try this one. You could say the right? The
The
lion
lion
hunts.
hunts the deer.
Ah, there we go. That's right. You could say that the lion hunts the deer. Or you could say my cat likes to hunt butterflies, right? Okay, so let's quickly say all of those words one more time, Peter. Let's go. Mammal. Prey.
Mammal. Prey.
Arctic.
Arctic.
Temperature.
Temperature.
Layer.
Layer.
Hunt.
Hunt.
Give birth.
Give birth.
Grow up.
Grow up.
There we go. Thank you, Peter. Our time is up. I will see you next time. Goodbye. Thank you, Mia. See you next time.